What's going on, guys? Welcome back to this channel. Hope you guys are staying green. Hope you guys are all having an amazing day. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the Voyager mobile app. So in this app, reason why I feel is very beneficial is because there's no transaction fees when you guys are buying cryptocurrencies. You guys don't have to pay extra for anything, and they already offer a bunch of cryptos. So I'm super happy about that. They kind of add a bunch every couple of weeks or so. So you just have fun browsing to them. And I'm gonna be showing you guys how to search currencies, and just how to overall check your portfolio. Right now, for example, I'm gonna be showing you guys what I'm holding. I clicked on this suitcase down here, showed you guys my BitTorrent holdings about this quantity, and my Storm holdings about this quantity. As you guys see, for my BitTorrent, I am down about $10. However, for my Storm, I'm up about $286. So Storm is playing pretty good for me right now. The reason why I bought Storm is because of the lowest market cap I saw during that time. And BitTorrent was a name I heard on the internet. My friends were recommending BitTorrent. So I was like, you know what, might as well just buy some cryptocurrencies of BitTorrent. And that's the story of why I bought these two. Literally no other reasons. I don't know much about cryptocurrencies, but I do know a lot now how to use this app. As you guys see here, it shows you your orders. You guys see here a buy order for BitTorrent and a buy order for Storm. And if I sell, it would show here as well. Transfers, it just shows you guys the deposit right here, the $300 deposit. And let's just go ahead and go back. You guys see my overall portfolio holdings now is now 75% since I actually profited. And you guys can see the total return right here on the top of your portfolio value. So as you guys see here, Storm is no longer the lowest market cap. It is now GLM, Golem currency. And the reason why I bought Storm is because it was the lowest market cap. So that was literally the only reason why. The volume is super high up today. I don't know why, but I'm super happy that I bought Storm at that price range, about a cent. It's now trading for about 4 cents right now. So yeah, you can research it by looking at the market cap. You can see by looking at the volume, right? The highest volume being traded. Of course, at the very top, it's Bitcoin. And let's see what's going on at the very bottom. Voyager. Okay, Voyager, what is that? Voyager tokens. So apparently you can buy Voyager tokens. I did not know that. So that's super cool. They went up from 1 cent all the way to $7. That is insane. Up 21,000%. That is absolutely insane. So let's start from scratch. As you guys see here, Bitcoin at the very top, selling at about $57,000 for one Bitcoin. And as you guys see, all the other currencies of the highest price going down. So let's just go ahead and search some of these stocks and how to do that. For reason why I bought Storm was because it was the lowest market cap. So I clicked on market cap, and Storm is not trading at the lowest market cap anymore. It was trading at 200 million for the market cap, but now it's already trading for 400 million. So it's almost double. Golem right now is now trading for the lowest market cap. That's stuff I like to look at. I feel like I own more value by owning currencies of lower market caps. I don't know why. It's just a thing that I like to have. It's just a thing that I like to do. As you guys see here, the lowest volume. If you guys are looking at the lowest volume or the highest volume, of course, Bitcoin is at the top. Ethereum's next, and Ripple. I've heard about Ripple. I don't know much about it. And I know Cardano is blowing up right now. A lot of people are buying. You guys can see the 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, and 1 year of these cryptos. So you guys can see the change. As you guys see there, the yearly change is about almost 100% on Bitcoin and 1,500% for Ethereum. So you guys can look at it from just the top here. If you guys want to search specific ones, let's say for example Cardano. So we go say Cardano. Pull it up right here, and we automatically have Cardano. So let's just go ahead, and now that we're in a specific currency, let's go ahead and scroll down. So you guys can see the market supply, 45 billion. You want to make sure that the market supply is low so you have a valuable currency. You don't just want it to be, unlimited, like, Dogecoin per se. I'm not saying Dogecoin is a bad currency. I'm just saying that it has an unlimited supply, which is mostly looked at as a negative thing. So as you guys see here, circulation, 32 billion, around there. You guys can see the highs and the lows, kind of like, this is like a Robinhood layout. Once you scroll down, it shows you guys how much it's worth, the market cap, stuff like that. It tells you guys the description of the currency. Cardano is a fully open source crypto project that is developing a smart contract platform which aims to deliver more advanced features than any other existing blockchain protocol. So, maybe this could be the reason why it's blowing up. Then again, I don't know much what's going on. It's already up 4,000%. That is actually insane. And if you guys keep scrolling down, it shows you guys some articles, latest news about Cardano or the currency you guys are looking to buy. And if you guys are looking to buy, all you guys need to do is click this logo down here. It's very simple. All you guys need to type in is just how much you want to spend. There's automatic fill options here. Let's say, for example, I only want to spend $200. Fill in $200 here. It tells me that I can buy this much currency, and I'm good to go. Slide to buy slide, and you're good to go. I'm not doing it right now because I don't have any more buying power. I already spent it all on Storm and BitTorrent. It'll only execute if you can afford that price. So that's the benefit of using limit orders, so you don't automatically swipe when you're using market orders, right? You swipe, and you could be paying a lot more for cryptocurrency than you even actually expected, because the sell orders are a lot higher than the buy orders. So that's something you guys might want to look at, practicing with limit orders and stuff like that. So I think I showed you guys most of everything you guys need to do. And if you guys need to sell, all you guys have to do is go back to your portfolio and click on it and just click sell. So that's all you guys need to do there. You guys have a sell option down here, because I have one with BitTorrent because I actually own shares of this specific currency. So if you guys do have any other questions, let me know down in the comments below. I hope you guys stay green. Peace out.